Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with I'm doing a quick video today. Something simple, not really difficult. I'm gonna do some fried pork chops. Who doesn't like fried pork chops? So that's what I'm doing today. I got some nice cut pork chops. I had them cut for me really thick. You actually can stuff these, but I like them like this to fry. See how thick cut those are? That's gonna be excellent to fry. But what it is, I'm gonna fry them off and I'm gonna finish them in the oven because they're so thick. I don't want them to burn. Okay, this is very simple. Like I said, recipe is very simple. I use my favorite seasoning. Y'all know, you follow me enough. I use my cabinet seasoning here, and I'm gonna use some kosher salt and white pepper. Turn on the other side here. Like I said, who doesn't like good old thick cut pork chops? A little salt and pepper. I always use kosher salt and ground white pepper. That's what I always use, and my cabinet seasoning. You can use whatever seasoning you like. If you don't like this, you can use whatever seasoning you like. Okay, now I'm gonna do the dry, wet, dry method. Put in my all-purpose flour. Shake that off. I got eggs and milk here. Like I said, the recipe is in the description of the video, so if I go too fast and y'all miss something, just go to the description of the video. It's right there. Okay. And I'm gonna put it in the hot grease. See that? Ain't go wrong with that, huh? A little flour here. Milk and egg mixture. Should get good in there. Right to the flour. Y'all notice I ain't doing my shake and bake method on this one. I want the flour really clean to this pork chop. There. One more here. Okay. All right. That one in there. Okay. I'm gonna let them fry off. It's gonna take probably about 2 or 3 minutes on each side. And then I'm gonna finish them off in the oven. So I'm gonna let these fry. I'm gonna clean up a little bit. I hate mess here. And I'll be right back when I'm about to turn them over, take them out, and put the other batch in. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. And the way you know when it's time to turn them over, you see that kind of bloody coming up on the top of it. That show you, kind of give you a sign ready to turn them over. So we're going to turn them over here. Oh, yeah. See how golden brown those are? Put this one here. Oh, yeah. That's what you want. Get this one right here. Definitely what you want right there. Nice golden brown pork chops. So we're gonna let these cook about 2 or 3 minutes on this side. I'm gonna put them on I have a wire rack here. I'm gonna put them on. I'm gonna finish them in the oven for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna get the other one first. So we'll be right back here. This is so easy and simple fried pork chops. So I'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, I got the last 2 I put in there. You see the 3 here I took out earlier. I'm gonna take these out. Put them on the sheet pan here. And I'll just put them in the oven for like 10 minutes because you see these are so thick. See how thick these are? I don't want to keep cooking them in the oil because it's gonna turn them black and they're never gonna get done. So this, number one, putting them in the oven gonna preserve the color and it's gonna make them so juicy too. You'll be awesomely surprised. So I'm putting them in 350-degree oven for about 10-15 minutes with these. They so thick. Thinner ones maybe take about 6-7 minutes. But these gonna take about 10-15 minutes. So we're gonna put them in the oven and we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. All right, let's check them out here and see if they're ready. Oh yeah, I think they're perfectly cooked here. Perfectly cooked. Okay. I'm gonna put them here on the platter. Put them right right here on the platter here. Right here. Oh yeah. Nice, nice, nice. See how it preserved the color? And they're gonna be perfectly juicy when I cut into one here in a minute. That's all you need right there. Can't go wrong. Let them cool just slightly, and I'm gonna take one and we're gonna cut it up and see how they taste and see how juicy they are. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all. Let's check it out here. Let's get this one right here. This looks like a nice one right there. Get this out the way. See what we got here. Right down the middle. See that? Perfectly cooked. See this? Perfectly cooked. It's so juicy. See? Perfectly cooked. Juicy. Preserve the flavor. Of course, this is my favorite part. A little fat there to the end. Can't go wrong. Oh wow. It is so good. Can't go wrong with fried pork chop, y'all. Cannot go wrong. So give this video thumbs up. Please comment. Please share the video. Please comment. I answer all comments. So until next time, and please subscribe to my channel. I always forget to say that. Click that little red subscribe button right there on the right hand side of your screen. Click that little button and subscribe. So until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.